Welcome to Facets. Facets is the best way for companies to build and manage their cloud infrastructure. Facets generates infrastructure as code for cloud resources which can be configured, enabling you to deploy to the cloud in a few minutes. So let's see how you can quickly deploy a sample application to the cloud using Facets. This is the famous Spring Boot Pet Clinic, a sample app on the Java Spring Boot framework. Now let's see its infrastructure on Facets by heading over to the Blueprint tab. Facets gives you multiple cloud resources you can choose from. Now you can see the entire cloud infrastructure of the Pet Clinic project here. It has a load balancer, an application, and a database. They can be configured using a simple form or JSON. You don't need to write complex IAC all the time anymore. Facets manages that for you. Now, let's quickly configure our cloud deployment and deploy it to the cloud by clicking on Launch Environment. Choose your cloud, select your instance types, set your secrets and variables, choose the cloud resources you need, and hit Launch. No complex YAML to wrestle with, just a straightforward, efficient process that gets you up and running in no time. So as you can see, based on how we've configured the cloud resources, the Terraform is being generated and used to deploy resources to the cloud. And once the deployment is up, we can access the URL here. Making any changes to the infrastructure or application is super easy with Facets. You can edit the configurations or make changes to your application code and deploy to the cloud in a click. Let's see how you can do that. Head over to the Releases tab, click on Release, and choose a release type to deploy your new changes to the cloud. Now let's say you want a production environment with the same infrastructure. All you have to do is head over to the Environments tab and click on Create Environment. And just like that, you have a production environment ready to be deployed in just a click. Oh, and about setting up monitoring, alerts, or performance, you won't have to. With Facets, they come pre-built. You don't have to start from zero every time you need to monitor your deployments, check performance metrics, or set up alerts. We've got it all pre-built for you, so you can dive right into fine-tuning your applications and monitoring their performance right from day one. In one line, Facets makes building quality infrastructure super easy